My name is Dr. Shelley Halper. I'm the founder of Dermatology Associates of LaGrange and the medical director of Dermatology affiliate locations. During the COVID-19 crisis, we have remained open for urgent skin issues. By providing access to our doctors, we've helped remove some of the burden from hospitals and emergency rooms. I want to assure you that we are doing everything possible to keep your health and the health of our employees as our top priority. Our processes include the following. All staff are prepared. We wear masks, glove, and eyewear. You will be asked the COVID qualifying questions again. We'll check your temperature, provide you with gloves, as well as providing a touchless check-in. It's our intention to have you immediately roomed into your private room. This is not a time to ignore your health. Skin cancer still affects 1 in 5, and melanoma affects 1 in 24 Americans. Let us know how we can best serve you at this time. Our best to you and your family, and we hope to see you soon at one of our locations.